going, Alex?
Stickle bush is right there.
Come on, Alex.
Are we exploring? God, keep going. I don't think I've ever been on this side of the park. Alex.
What?
What do you want to do? Look. Let me see your adventure kit. What do you have here?
So I have my compass connected to a whistle, but it doesn't work very well. That's how good it works. And the temperature, there's a flashlight, but it doesn't work as good. This flashlight I don't use very much. I actually use this flashlight the most, and here's a magnifying glass. Now here's the whistle that works better.
Cool. And then you have binoculars?
Yeah, binoculars.
Neat. Are you going to use all those items today?
Yeah.
Wow, look how far this path goes. It's pretty here with all the trees blooming, right?
Yeah.
All the sticker bushes. All right, so which way does it say we're going?
So north is that way. North is that way.
So we're headed like northwest.
Yeah. Now
Where did Alyssa go?
we're heading. We're heading west now. We're heading west now.
Oh, okay.
To the Wild West.
The Wild West. You think we'll see any animals out here?
Yeah, hey, look.
Bigfoot or anybody?
No. Oh, look up there.
There's a frisbee golf. Oh, there she is. There's Alyssa. Where did she go? There's a frisbee golf course up there.
That's a good idea, Alyssa.
What do you have? Alex.
And
Yeah, Alex showed me all of his equipment.
yeah.
What do you guys want to do while we're here? Do you want to look for animal prints?
Yeah.
Or do you want to look for Bigfoot? No, just some deer maybe?
No, but I'm looking for a leaf.
Oh, okay. All right, so Alex is gonna look for a leaf. What's Alyssa gonna look for?
I found this leaf.
You think it fell from one of these trees?
Okay, so guys, this
What are you
is
guys
going to
doing?
be a very magnifying glass.
Hey, you guys should do that in the shade over here so you
Where's my magnifying glass?
I saw a magnifying glass in the garage in somebody's basket, like basket.
How come you able to do it?
What was that?
Sniffer. Wiggle.
Maybe, like a crick when it rains.
Yeah, like a foot.
Look how big this tree is.
Wow. Oh my god, it's like the size for monkeys to climb.
That's one big giant.
How'd you get over there, Alyssa?
Oh, jump. I jump.
Hey, did you hear that?
What?
I thought I heard a growling.
Come across.
my feet wet.
There's no wet. I'm on the rock.
Oh.
Wait a second. Watch me. Do that. And then do that.
What's down there, Alex?
I think there used to be a water fountain right there.
Is it deep?
No.
Maybe that's where Bigfoot comes to get his water from.
It's so deep. I mean, Come on, Mommy. No, it's okay.
All right.
Daddy, come. Oh, look, there's a frisbee golf right there.
Look how tall these trees are. It looks like we're in the forest in the middle of nowhere, doesn't it? Who do you think put all those trees branches there? Think it was a beaver? Think it was Bigfoot?
A lumberjack did it.
A lumberjack?
Yeah. Okay, so we didn't find Bigfoot, but we did hear some very strange noises in the middle of the lake. And subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And of course, hit the bell for notifications. Bye.